Dark mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this update, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in the YouTube app. Like these kinds of videos? We've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe and like. I'm always making helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get started. It's quick and easy. In the YouTube app, tap your profile pic at the bottom in the Use section. Some options will appear. Tap Settings, the gear icon at the top. Next, tap on General. In General, tap Appearance. You can use Device Theme or Dark Theme. It'll switch to Dark Theme automatically. Got it, everyone? That's all there is to it. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care, everyone. God bless. Thanks.